Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L Limited in diamond black crystal pearl. With LED reflector headlamps, adaptive cruise control with stop and go, blind spot and cross path detection, 20-inch aluminum wheels, remote start system, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 48,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, heated second row seating, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90601A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.